Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on family health plans with Aetna, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Aetna website. Look for the health plans section on the home page. Click on it to explore their various offerings. Select family health plans from the drop-down menu. Review the different plan options available. Take note of essential features such as coverage limits and premiums. Consider your family's specific health needs. Decide if you require additional benefits like dental or vision coverage. Use the online tool to compare different plans side by side. Look for any available discounts or promotions. Once you have gathered all necessary information, proceed to the application process. Fill out the required personal information accurately. Be prepared to provide details about your family's medical history. Double-check all entries to avoid errors. After submitting your application, wait for a confirmation email. Review the coverage details in the confirmation. If needed, contact Aetna's customer service for any clarifications. Consider setting up an online account for easy management of your health plan. Regularly review your health plan to ensure it still meets your family's needs. Stay updated on any changes to Aetna's offerings or pricing. Take advantage of tools and resources available on the Aetna website. This will help you maximize your plan's benefits and save on costs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.